Hello, good evening, everyone. So, I'm here to talk about video conferencing tools, which are software applications that enable individuals to or groups to hold virtual meetings, presentations, or discussions over the internet using audio and video. And its advantages is remote collaboration. You can stay wherever you are and hold up meetings, collaborate with your teams, and all that. And it also saves costs in the sense that you don't have to travel to have a meeting. You can just stay at the comfort of your home and have your meeting online. Time efficiency and accessibility. Anyone can access all these video conferencing tools. Then there are many video conferencing tools we have, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Clickmeeting, Live Life Size, and GoToMeetings and Google Meets and all that. So in today, I'm trying to use the Click Meeting, which you are seeing here, to teach on how to navigate on it. So here, I'm not using the app, I'm using the website by clicking clickmeeting.com, as you can see. So I will now start. I don't want to subscribe or anything. So I'm just clicking start for free. So you wait for it to boot. Then you start adding, that is to sign up. You can add your name, or maybe it has very long processes. You can just sign up with Google. You sign up with Google and then choose anyone. If you have more than two Gmail accounts, you can choose the one that you prefer. So this is the one that I prefer. So I'm signing in with it. Okay, still booting. Okay, as it's booting, okay. The companies that has the most popular ones are Zoom communication, video communications, and the Google. They are the ones that the most popular the video conferencing tools. So now it has brought me here, which it's saying this is the dashboard, and you can also go out from here. So here it's saying create a webinar. This create a meeting. So I'm talking about how to create a meeting. Okay, you can see it said you have your free trial. Like my free trial is for 30 days, 10 hours, 44 minutes. Unless you want to choose a plan, you want to subscribe, then you can click on choose your plan. Okay, this is it. Choose your plan, and you will see the ones. See, this one is for $48. All of them, they have their features, but for me, I don't want to subscribe. I want to use the free site. So now I want to create a meeting. Maybe I want to have a meeting. I want to talk about things with my team. So here you tap on create a meeting. It will bring out planned meeting. That is to schedule a meeting. Maybe you give them time or meet now. So let's try to the planned meeting, like to schedule a meeting. That's where you have to create your link, send it out. So as you clicked there, the scheduling of meetings will bring out room name. So you just have to give a name to whatever you want. So room name, you can just give it maybe assignment. Okay. Event URL. Okay. This is the URL. Then it has already given this one. Time scheduled is not permanent. Okay. Continue. This is the time zone, Africa and Lagos. Here you can change the time zone. Maybe the person is not living in Nigeria or in Africa precisely. Maybe you can just, this is Africa, Bissau, this all of them. You can just check out this America, that. That's how you just go about it. But we are using Africa, Lagos. Okay, this is it. You click on Africa, Lagos. Then this is the date and time. But if you don't want the meeting to be on this date stated here and the time, that is 4, this after 4, 20 minutes past 4, you can come here, click on this thing that looks like a calendar icon, click on it. Then you can change here, you can change it whether to March or any, the date, the time. This is the start, they like the time for, we can change it to maybe, we can change it to 7 or so. Yeah, that is 19. Can change it to 7, by 7, after 7. Then the duration of the meeting, if it's 1 hour, then you can go about it. Okay, let's go back to February. Let's just continue with our date, February, that is by 7. Then the duration, you can leave it at 1 hour, you can change it, or you can just, if you don't want it to be in hours, you can just delete the hours. Then put in your minutes, maybe you want it to stay for 4 minutes, example. 40 minutes. So then you click on accept, click on the accept button. You have reset the time and the day you want to run the meeting. Okay, see, it's here. Do not repeat. Like, let this meeting, this time, let it not repeat, unless you want it to be, maybe it's a meeting you want to be having every day or every week or every month. You can just click on any of these, but this one, I do not want to repeat the meeting, just for today and only today. So just click on that, do not repeat. Okay, then access type, maybe you want to, before someone can join, the person has to use a password. Then that's where you see this password as it has been clicked already. But me, I don't want to use a password. You can just click on open to all, anybody can join, so there's no need for any password or anything, anybody can join. So toll free, I do not really know about this toll free, but you can set up an agenda. That is the agenda for the meeting, why you want this meeting, what the meeting is all about, or something. You can just event agenda. You can just leave that one. Just now, after all these things done, you can just create an invite. Click on it. Create an invite. Create and invite. You've created the meeting, you've scheduled the meeting. Then it will not take you to how you want to invite the people you want to contact, or your friends, your team, how you want to, any people that you want to invite to this very meeting that you are setting up. Okay, you see, we've created the meeting. Then send invitations. You click on send invitations. Still loading. Okay. So choose who you want to invite. Is it attendees or presenters? So it's actually attendees, but if you also maybe you have another presenter, maybe a co-host, you can actually click on the maybe this one now you want to, but we're not there's no presenter again. We've gone back to attendees and presenters. So we want to share this link to attendees. I want to share this link to attendees, people that will attend the meeting, not people that are coming to present. So I just click on the attendees. So here you have your ways of doing it. Maybe you want to search your groups, past sessions, but I'm choosing copy details. It has been copied. See, it's link copied. So you can just minimize your app, your Chrome. Maybe the people are on WhatsApp. You come here, go to your WhatsApp. Okay, this is it. You click on any, maybe it's a group or someone or anything. You come here, you paste. See, this was the first one I generated when I was still learning. So the second one, when you paste it, this is how it's going to look like to the person's DM or to the group's DM, to their inbox. This is how it will look like. Then when the person sees it and it's time to join the website, I say it's here. Network was disturbing. So assuming it's time, maybe you're using your mobile application of the Click meeting. So this is where you now use this event ID to join the meeting. But if you are joining also through website, you can just click on this. Okay, so maybe after creating a meeting and then inviting, maybe sending the link to people that you want to, then maybe you want to make an edit in the meeting, maybe the time, maybe you have an emergency or something, you want to shift the time that you um created before, then you go here, this three dots, you come here, this second one here, after the dashboard, this one here, you click on it, showing timeline. Okay, allow it to load. See, these are the events that was, you know, the events that was created today, that I created today. Then maybe you want to edit, you click on this edit here. You want to change the time or the date. Maybe you cannot make it to the online meeting again and you just want to reschedule. So this here, you click on that edit. It's loading. Network is really bad. Okay. This is the room name. Maybe you want to change the room name, or you want to change the time zone. You want to change the date. You want to change this. Just any edit you want to just make. This is it for the date and time. It was the date and time. You click on this calendar like icon. Maybe you want to change it to be in tomorrow and not today. That is 7th. You tap on that 7, number 7 there. Okay, then the time, you can change the time. Let's just leave the time. Maybe you can change the duration. Maybe you want it to now last for 15 minutes. Ehen. Or maybe we can also change the time. Let's change it to morning 9, and you click on, maybe the only change you want to time and date, accept.
Achukwuleke water supply ese anya atọ okwu juru gị ọnụ.
After making your changes, don't forget to, after every change, go to save event.